Hello and welcome to challenge number 7 of the AI Marketing Revolution Challenge. I am Lisa Peyton. I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favorite ways to use generative AI and ChatGPT, which is ideation. I don't know about you, but I find myself continually going back to ChatGPT to help provide me with creative concepts, strategy ideas, concepts for images. It just takes so much less time to have the AI machine provide you with dozens of ideas that you can sort through rather than try and figure them out yourself, which is very sad because I love being creative. I'm a very creative person. It's sad that I don't have time to do my own ideation, but I'll tell you, sometimes ChatGPT really comes up with some good stuff. So that's what we're doing today. Just to talk to you very quickly, so the genesis of this, if I could get my slides to go. Genesis, there we go. The genesis of this this beautiful series is a series of hands-on exercises to help marketers master AI. Things have been changing so rapidly, trying to give you concrete tips that you can use right now. This is part of my series, Decoding Generative AI, a marketer's guide to text-based and visual content. You can find that and all of this juicy information in my XR AI marketing brief. Links are in the description of this video, or just look me up on LinkedIn, Lisa Peyton, and you'll find my marketing brief there. Okay, so here's what we're going to do today. We're going to craft a prompt to help us provide innovative campaign strategies for a specific target segment. Now, last time we worked on our target personas, so we're going to carry that over into today. You're welcome to use those previous personas that we developed in our STP video, or you can do completely new ones. It's up to you. We're going to compare and contrast some community-created GPTs alongside of just a regular ChatGPT prompt. And then we're going to pressure test these ideas with our customer companion. Remember Emily Green and remember our beautiful customer companion? Well, we're heading right back over and we're going to let her help me select which of these ideas might actually work. So let's dive right in. Let's get started. I really do want to make these quick for all of you, as quick as possible. These videos, they do tend to get long because there's a lot to do. So here's my ChatGPT interface. Now, if you're just kind of coming into the series, I have a pro subscription, which allows me access to all of these community created GPTs. When I'm doing anything in ChatGPT these days, I first of all go and search over here where it says explore GPTs and see if someone else has made GPT to do exactly what I want to do. Now, I found many brainstorming GPTs. I went through and curated some of the ones that I thought were the best. So that's what we're going to start with. Starting with this one, the Idea Generator. Now, you can find this. If you have your pro subscription, you'll be able to find this GPT. You just search under brainstorming and it's going to come right up. So this is what I used for this first response. Don't worry if you don't have the upgraded version and don't have access to these. I will show you. We can absolutely do this exercise without them. So here's this one, and I went in. Now keep in mind, I used the exact same prompt for each of these different GPTs. So keep that in mind. But here's what the brainstormer came back with. So I'm asking for innovative campaign strategies to engage my two target personas. I've got Emily Thompson and I've got Samantha Green. Emily Thompson is more of a mid-level marketer, and Samantha Green is my marketing leader, kind of my C-suite. So here's what it came back with: some AI-powered content personalization, interactive learning series, tech-savvy networking hub, data-driven campaign showcase. For Samantha, XR experience demos, AI-driven market insights report. So this is great. I mean, you can look at this. Maybe none of these are like, it's radical, but it's a nice list. I like the way they've organized it. Another brainstorming GPT that I really love is this one that uses 6 thinking hats. I found this one to be really comprehensive. So it takes the approach of 6 different perspectives. I put in the exact same prompt into the 6 thinking hats And it came back with this. So it's got, the organizer hat is telling me how it's going to structure the content. And then we've got the green hat, which is the innovator. And the innovator has come up with several strategies. They have not split this out into my two separate marketing personas. It's kept it one one overarching strategy. But, if I liked any of these or wanted this tool to break it out, it certainly could do that, and it does that. It's really easy down here. So once it's given me all of the different hats take on my question, gives me some more questions to answer, but then it gives me these great options, like, hey, I can continue to have these hats to elaborate. I can ask one hat to elaborate more, or I can do a deep dive in. So this tool is really cool. I could spend a lot of time with this tool to really kind of get me out of my very narrow thinking and really broaden my perspective, which I guess is what brainstorming is all about. The other tool that I had tried is this one. It's just simply called marketing. So these first two, the idea generator and the brainstorming, these are specific to ideation. This one was a marketing tool. So I was like, hey, let's take a look at a very popular marketing GPT. This particular one has over 100,000 users, so it's one of the more popular ones. I put in the exact same prompt, and here's what it came back with. For Emily Thompson, content marketing, they've got some tactics here: blog series, guest blogging, webinars, social media, LinkedIn live sessions, interactive LinkedIn polls, personalized email campaigns, an educational email series, influencer partnerships, collaborate with marketing influencers. So there's some really good stuff here. Gamification and interactive content. And all of that was for Emily, my mid-level career person. For Samantha, advanced analytics and AI-driven campaigns, personalized LinkedIn outreach, innovative content creation, case studies and white papers. No surprise there. It's got some VR stuff that they're pitching in here, exclusive networking events. So, slightly different answers across all of these different GPTs. Now, the final thing, just in case here, is good old-fashioned ChatGPT 4.0, which has been around now for all of a week or something. It used to be ChatGPT 4, now it's 4. So it is the latest and greatest that we have access to through this our upgraded subscription. And here's, I just went in. I didn't use any GPT. I went in and I had my prompt using my prompt template that I'm sharing with you all. Here it is. Right? It includes, it's very simple. Please provide a list of innovative marketing strategy ideas using digital and social media technologies in order to build awareness for my enterprise marketing consulting business. The campaign will be targeted to these two segments. And then I just simply copy in the segments that I created with ChatGPT, weeks ago now. And here's what it comes back to with Emily Thompson, AI-powered person. So you will see some duplication here from these to this. Interactive social media, blockchain case studies, tech blog collaborations, and then Samantha AI and XR integration. So, I don't want to take up too much more time, but at the end of the day, it provided some nice strategies, some good tactics to kind of help expand my thinking. So the next step, once you have done, this, and I highly recommend, don't use just one tool, take the approach if you can to use a few, because you'll be, especially this one, I have to say, I love this, the brainstorming, 6 Thinking Hats one is one that really provided, I would say, the most diverse group of ideas. So from my perspective, that really did a great job. You can aggregate your favorites, and then final thing, and I'm almost done, I'm going to wrap this up, I'm going to bring it home. We go back to our customer companion, and if you didn't make a customer companion, take a look at the very, very first challenge of the series where we make our customer companion. And I went in, Samantha Green is my customer companion chief, and it's that C-suite, CMO level marketing executive that I am trying to gain, her attention around my consulting services at the end of the day, my using my XR marketing services. So I went ahead and asked her right here we go. So I'm pressure testing some of these ideas. Hi, Samantha. Can you rank these potential marketing strategies in terms of which ones would be the most engaging and effective for you? Please include your reasons why. And I listed them out: AI and XR case studies, innovative marketing podcast, virtual workshops and demos, data-driven marketing challenges, thought leadership articles. And here's what she says. She's like, certainly, here you go. Most important for her, AI and XR case studies. Probably no surprise. If you do B2B marketing, you know that always tends to be top of the heap. So it's top, and she tells why. She loves the data-driven insights, and they're very engaging and bring some credibility to what you're doing. So love it. 2, virtual workshops and demos. She loves that it'd be interactive learning. She thinks it's a great way to learn and get some hands-on experience understanding complex technologies. Their interactivity of it, she thinks is awesome. Then number 3 for her thought leadership articles. Number 4, the innovative marketing podcast down there, number 4. And then finally, the data-driven marketing challenges is number 5. So, this is, for me, a really awesome tool to help ideate, cast a nice wide net, perhaps figure out a couple new strategies or new tactics that you hadn't considered for your target, and then go and really pressure test and see which of these innovative strategies will actually resonate with your user. So I hope this has been helpful. That you can use these ideation tools, and I'm sure many of you have. You can use them in so many ways. With so much of what we do is about coming up with something innovative or new, or being able to reach people in new ways. New topics for blog posts, new constructs for our social media posts. And sometimes we can get stuck in a little bit of a rut. And I have found that ChatGPT and particularly these brainstorming GPTs really help out. So that is it, my lovelies. I want to thank you all for being here. I've got the prompt template for you. It'll be in the show notes. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Take good care. Thanks, everyone.